Hello everyone, in this video let's solve a very basic coding problem which is reverse an integer or number. If you are new to the channel, then don't forget to subscribe the channel. More coding problems will come soon. So now the question is, suppose a number is given to you, it could be any number. So here it is 723, then you have to output 327, which is the reverse of this number. Okay, so a number could be, let's say 312, then you have to reverse this number which is 213. And one more thing, so this number is in integer form, that means it is stored in an integer variable, so you have to return the number which is reverse of that. Okay, you don't have to store it in array, and then you can't use the for loop to do that. Okay, so how we are going to do that, let's see. So here we are going to use again a modulus operator. If you are not aware of this modulus operator, then I'll add the link on the I button. You can click on it and watch the video. Now what we are going to do, we are going to say we are going to run a loop until n becomes 0. Okay, and then we have to, let's say n is 312, so we have to take the remainder, and as I told you, for taking the remainder we mod the value with 10. So we'll take a remainder, let's say rem is the variable for remainder. We take the modulus 10 of n, so we will get the remainder. Once we get the remainder, we also have another variable which is reverse, which will contain the reverse of the number or the result. So in this we will say reverse multiply by 10, okay, and then you have to add the remainder. Okay, so this will take the like in the reverse, because in the starting reverse will be 0, so it will be 0 multiplied by 10 plus remainder is 2. Okay, so reverse will be 2. Now you have to, because you used this 2, now you have to discard this 2, and I told you for discarding we use the division. So now the number becomes n by 10, so now number will be 31. Now 31 is not equal to 0, so you get the remainder. This time you will get the remainder 1. Once you got the remainder 1, you'll add that into the previous value of the reverse multiply by 10. So previous value was 2, now you multiply it with 10 and then you add the remainder. This time you will get 21. Okay, now again you divide the number with 10, which is 31. Now you divide the 31 by 10, you will get 3. Now 3 is not equal to 0, then you will take the remainder. Now if you take the remainder, if you divide the 3 by 10, you will get the remainder 3. So once you got the 3, you will take that and add it into previous value of reverse multiply by 10. So previous value is 21, now you multiply it by 10 and then you add it with the remainder. This time you will get 210 plus 3, which is 213, which is the reverse of 312. Now you again divide 3 by 10, this time you will get 0, and n is not equal to 0, this condition will not satisfy and loop comes out. As loop comes out, you can see out the reverse value, so you will get the reverse of the number. So this was very basic problem and very small problem. I hope you got this. I hope you got the whole logic part, and this is it for this video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.